are going to be needing 6 eggs. This is the yolk, we have the white in the beater, and this is 1.5 cup maida. We will be using vanilla extract. We'll use 2 to 3 drops, and this is sugar, and it is 1 cup. We have the egg whites in the beater, and we need to mix them until they have like a fluffy. Now we are going to add the egg yolks one by one. We just add all of these then. Now we have added all the yolks, and we have beaten it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we are going to add sugar. This is actually grind sugar, and now we are going to add it. हमने इसको 5 मिनट के लिए चलाया है, and now we are going to add the vanilla essence, and we are going to do that. We have to keep the speed on 2, and now we are going to add the maida. Slowly. We have greased our pan, and it is all ready to the tate. And we have preheated the oven, and we are going to the tate for 50 minutes at 120 degrees, sorry. Our batter is ready. Now, because of our team Independence Day, we are going to add green color because Pakistan's flag color is green. So let's add it, and let's split it, and let's make it green. We need to make a flag color. Now we are going to add the batter into our pan, which is already greased and ready. And let's just add it. Now we are going to balance it like. Now we are going to just put it in the oven. We are gonna put it in the oven. For the filling of our tate, we will be using half cup of milk and half cup of condensed milk, and now we are going to mix it all together. Now we are going to add the filling because our tate is now ready, and now first we have to put these holes with this fork, just like this. Just like this. I just wanted to tell you, if you're tate, you should take help from your mother. If you're when putting in the oven, I also took help from my mother. Now we're going to add the filling to our tate. Everywhere. We have to add it everywhere. Now we have added it all in now we have to let it chill. We have to let it chill for 5 to 10 minutes, and we also need to let the milk that we just added dissolve. Our tate is out of the oven, and we have some whipping cream that we are going to decorate it with. So let's decorate. We just because it is our flag is also white and green, so we are going to add only white whipping cream. If you want, you can color it as well. Our tate is done. We after putting the whipped cream on, we chilled it for 1 to 2 hours, and now it is ready. It is very moist, right? Very moist, and we also added sprinkles for decoration.
Moist.
And I'm also going to try it myself. That is actually very yummy. It's very yummy. You should try it. You should try it. So now this is the end, and bye bye. Happy Independence Day.